Hello, and welcome back to Delicious Recipes, the YouTube channel where we lovingly poke fun at other people's culinary creations. Today, we're sinking our teeth into a wildly popular recipe with over 50 million views. Can you believe it? Just for a tomato and an egg. Or so they say. The recipe, mysteriously titled, "Do You Have a Tomato and an Egg?" Inexpensive and delicious recipe has somehow managed to pull a fast one on all of us. You see, despite the minimalist title, this recipe has more ingredients than a magician has tricks up their sleeve. And one of those secret ingredients will leave you purring with delight. To begin, we have a single tomato, which is sliced into rounds. So far, so good. But then, we're asked to crack not one, but 3 eggs into a bowl. Hold on a second. Weren't we promised an egg singular? But wait, there's more. We're also instructed to season the eggs with salt, pepper, and Italian herbs, as if we're preparing a feast for the whole of Italy. After stirring everything with a fork, or a magic wand, because why not? We're hit with yet another surprise, 50 grams of cheese. And no, this isn't the secret ingredient we mentioned earlier. Now for the grand reveal, the secret ingredient is a cat. That's right, folks. A sneaky feline makes its way into the recipe, licking the remaining grated cheese off the plate. We can only hope this cat's refined taste buds are a testament to the dish's flavor. Moving on, we pour olive oil into a pan and spread the chopped tomatoes, frying them to perfection before flipping them over. We then add salt, because apparently there's no such thing as too much seasoning, and pour the egg mixture into the pan, sprinkling it with grated cheese. Finally, we close the lid, allowing the flavors to meld together and create a dish that even the pickiest of cats would approve of. And voila! Our cat-assisted dish is ready for consumption. In conclusion, while this recipe may have some merit, it could definitely do without the false advertising and secret feline ingredients. We recommend sticking to the basics or perhaps leaving the cooking to professionals, or at least those who can count their ingredients correctly. Thank you for joining us on this culinary roller coaster of a ride. Stay tuned for more hilarious critiques, and remember to always cook with a sense of humor, and maybe a cat or two. Until next time, bon appetit and goodbye.